Hello, this is Opinion Radar. If you spend any serious time in a workshop, you know that clean doesn't just mean tidy, it means safe, efficient, and respectful of the craft. Yet, even the most organized among us struggle with one constant: dust. No matter how powerful your shop vac is, it's only effective if it's on when you need it. That's where smart, behind-the-scenes tools come in. Devices that don't demand attention but deliver real results. Today, we're looking at one such solution, the SKOOL automatic vacuum switch. Priced at just $25, it's a compact device built to streamline your workflow by syncing your dust collection with your power tools automatically. Over the next few minutes, I'll walk you through how it's performed in real-world use, from installation to long-term reliability, and why something so unassuming might be one of the most practical upgrades you can make to your shop setup. Let's dive in. Let me tell you, if you've ever stood at your miter saw or table saw only to realize you forgot to turn on your shop vac, again, this little device is going to change your life. The SKOOL automatic vacuum switch is one of those simple, elegant solutions that makes you wonder why you didn't install one years ago. It's designed to automatically power on your vacuum or dust collection system the moment you fire up your power tool. I've been using it with my 12-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw, and the moment I pull the trigger, my rigid shop vac kicks on without me lifting a finger. It's seamless, reliable, and honestly kind of satisfying. You don't have to remember anything, no more stepping over sawdust just because your vacuum wasn't synced with your saw. That alone has made my workspace safer and far more efficient. One of the biggest wins with this switch is how it improves dust extraction from the source. I've got my shop vac connected through Oneida Dust Deputy, and the whole system is now fully automated. The instant the saw starts, so does the vacuum. That split-second synchronization keeps sawdust from building up in the hose or spilling out onto the work surface. Over time, that small detail adds up to a much cleaner job site. One that's not only easier to work in, but also healthier. Breathing in less fine particulate is no joke, especially if you're spending hours a day in the shop. Plus, keeping your blades and saw components free of debris helps extend their life. The SKOOL switch just quietly handles all that behind the scenes, which is exactly what great workshop accessories should do: get out of your way and let you focus on the work. Now let's talk about that slight delay everyone notices, the one where the vacuum stays on for about 10 seconds after you release the trigger. At first, I wasn't sure how I felt about it, but now I actually appreciate it. That little post-shutdown window gives the vacuum time to fully clear out the hose. Without that buffer, you'd probably end up with a clog or leftover sawdust settling right back where you don't want it. It's clearly designed with real-world use in mind, not just theory. That delay isn't a flaw, it's a feature. That said, if you're super precise about shutdown timing or have a tool with a very intermittent duty cycle, it might take a little getting used to. But honestly, I've come to rely on it. It feels like the system is tidying up after itself, which is a nice touch. Installation was about as straightforward as it gets. No wiring, no complex setup, just plug your power tool into the switch, plug the switch into the wall, then plug your vacuum into the accessory outlet. That's it. I had mine up and running in under 5 minutes. I love that it doesn't require any technical skills or modifications to your tools. It's especially convenient if you're not comfortable opening up devices or working with electrical components. And despite its simplicity, it feels solid. The casing is durable, the connections are tight, and after several months of daily use in my shop, it hasn't skipped a beat. That kind of reliability is what you're really paying for here, and at $25, it's a no-brainer. Beyond the obvious workshop setup, I've even started thinking about other clever uses. While it's clearly made for power tools and vacuums, I know someone who's using it to automate their powered subwoofer with their receiver. Doesn't matter if that's the intended use, the fact it works speaks volumes about its flexibility. For my part, I've considered hooking it up to other dust-prone tools like my planer or router table. Anything where you want a secondary device to activate in sync with the main tool could benefit from this. It's not a one-trick pony, it's a smart little automation hack that opens up possibilities. And in a world where people are spending hundreds on smart home gadgets, this $25 switch delivers real utility without the hassle. If I had to offer one piece of advice, it's this: get one of these and keep in your shop. It's not flashy, it doesn't come with an app, and you won't see influencers raving about it, but it does exactly what it promises every single time. The benefits are immediate: cleaner workspace, better dust control, and one less thing to manage during your workflow. It's one of those tools you don't know you need until you use it, and then you can't imagine working without it. For the price, the build quality, and the sheer convenience, the SKOOL automatic vacuum switch is one of the best small investments I've made for my shop in a long time. Simple, smart, and effective. That's how tools should be. If your workshop runs on precision and efficiency, don't let manual switches slow you down. Like this video if clean cuts and cleaner floors matter to you, and subscribe to stay ahead of the tools that work as hard as you do. Let's build something better, one smart connection at a time.